He said, Man asbaha aminan fi sirbi, who has become in the Warab and he is safe in his neighborhood. Safe, secured. Nobody's going to raid his house. Nobody's going to attack his wife. Number two, قال وعنده قوت يومه, and he's got the food of the day, not the food of the week. You know, some of the people shopping for the next month. Wallahi, they're shopping for the next month. I know that I'm shopping for the next week. I know that. Just the food of the day. Thirdly, قال معافى في بدنه, he's healthy in his body. فكأنما حيزت له الدنيا بحذافيرها. He's like a king. The whole dunya under his possession. You got safety, and you got health, and you got food for the day. That's it. Why are you complaining? And I'm giving here, sending a message to our brothers who are in Egypt. Be careful, ya ikhwani. When you read what is happening there is a plot. A plot to make Egypt goes chaos, revolutions, with the help of some of those Muslims who are from our skin. They speak our language. They're helping, just like what they had done in Palestine. Those people all the time, they're there. So I'm warning, and I'm telling those people to be careful, not to start speaking ill about your leader. Even your leader, you don't like him. You can't speak ill against him. There is safety, akhwani. This ni'matul amn, the blessings of the safety, only the person being deprived from it, he knows the value of that one. But the person who is sitting here, having his cornflakes in the morning, and having his beef, burger or beef, whatever, steak he's got, and then he say, no, revolution. Akhi, you are living here with safety and luxury and all of that, and you're saying, revolution there. Go and see and taste what the revolution had done to these people. Deprive them from the food and the safety and the security. Deprive them even from the health, because he can't go to the chemist. There's somebody there, he might shoot him. He can't go to the chemist. So you haven't tasted the revolution devastation. You're just saying from here. You're saying from here, let them, this is a healthy situation. Let them speak against their leaders. Prophet Allah said, no. And if the revolution took place, if a leader took the leadership through other than the, you could say, legitimate and approved routes, but he's the leader and the country had settled to him, you cannot go against him. You cannot speak against him, regardless of how he took the leadership. So we can't go with the revolution, ikhwani. Revolution is confusion. Revolution is death and chaos. All right? So this is a message to our brothers in Egypt, because Egypt, life it goes, chaos. I don't know what's going to happen to the rest of the world. The rest of the world, of the Arab world, the Muslim world there. They're starting there to say that the guy is going to run away. The king. This is dangerous. What you read in there is making you think, subhanAllah, what is the plan here? What is the plan? It's just to make the Muslim countries, and that's in that area, the so-called the new Middle East, is to be weak. No power. Look at now Syria. Wiped out all the army. Nothing. There's no artillery, no planes, nothing. Same thing they want to do with Egypt. And already Libya had lost everything. Libya is not even power at all. The Egypt is the biggest Muslim country in the Arab world in terms of population. There's more than 100, and they say 120, but it's 150 million people there. Okay? So that's why, and if you look at the history, from the Tatar, from the papers, the Dahir, from Salah ad-Din, Egypt was the one which was not really being able to be taken by those people. Because if it was the issue, there will be things, a lot of things will be happening. So Salah ad-Din came there to take it away from them. And the Zahir papers and all of those leaders, they were there to protect Egypt. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala protect our Muslim country, ya ikhwani.